Hey guys, what's up? Look who's with me today. Say hi. Hi. It's my sweet baby girl, Cairo. Now, you know, with all the cold weather, she's been feeling a little under the weather. So you guys, I am going to share my favorite feel-good recipe that I make anytime my kids get the sniffles. My one-pot homemade chicken noodle soup that's not only good for the soul, but it is also good for you. And I'd like to thank Aveeno for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this episode. Before we get started, we love watching this quick fix family continue to grow. Say grow, Cairo.
Whoa.
But we can't do it without your help. So you guys, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications of future episodes, and most importantly, invite your family and your friends. Share your favorite videos with them, and together we can get to 1 million subscribers. And then we can go to the water park. Do you want to go to the water park with Cree?
Yeah.
You guys heard her. Right? Do you want to make Cairo and Cree happy? All right, Cairo, you have some fun right here while mommy makes some soup. All right, you guys, so let's get started on this delicious homemade one-pot chicken noodle soup. Now, like I said, what I love about this recipe, it is a one-pot meal. I'm just basically dumping all of these ingredients into this pot, and it is incredibly easy and delicious. First things first, I'm gonna add some butter. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn this on medium high, and I'm using unsalted butter, and I like to do that so I can control the salt. So I'm just gonna melt this down. I'm gonna add some onions, and then I'm gonna add my carrots and my celery. Now I make this soup for the family every year around flu season. They absolutely love it. I'm gonna add some salt and some pepper, and I'm just gonna cook this down until this gets nice and soft, smelling good already. While this cooks down, I want to tell you guys a little bit about one of my favorite new Aveeno products. Okay, you guys, so my favorite way to get ready for the day and just feel awake and refreshed is simply to wash my face. I feel like the cold water is invigorating, and the feeling of being fresh and clean, you guys, it cannot be beat. Lately, I have been using Aveeno Calm and Restore Nourishing Oat Cleanser. Now, this is designed for sensitive skin and formulated with nourishing oat and calming feverfew. This is a fantastic cleanser, you guys. It removes dirt and impurities, and I just also love how moisturizing it is. I feel like I'm at a spa. So living in California, it's like a desert, right? So my skin, it's always dry. So what I love about this cleanser is it doesn't like strip your skin, you know? It's very moisturizing, and it's also soothing. It's hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, free of parabens, phthalates, fragrances, and dyes. Oh, my skin feels amazing. I am ready to start the day. Tina, why can't you just be normal? Click on the link below to shop now. All right, so let's get back to this delicious soup. So this looks really nice and soft, just the way I like it. So during flu season, what I love to add to my soups would definitely have to be ginger and garlic. Now, ginger, it's great during flu season because it helps ease those symptoms if you were to have a cold or the flu. Also, I like to grate the ginger because you don't want like chunks of ginger in your soup. That's not fun. So, Corey, I love you. I mean, you are my husband, but I will tell you guys, the most needy patient when they are sick and home would definitely have to be my husband. I mean, I think a lot of people can relate. Guys, I love you, but just when you guys are sick, you know, women, I feel like we're so good at like multitasking, and not only that, we have to go. There's like no stopping for us, right? But men, You guys are just spoiled. You're just so used to people taking care of you, which is okay. I love taking care of my husband, so I love you, Corey. You know what my husband does? He loves ginger and garlic, and he will just cut like some ginger and he'll just start gnawing on it. I know, it's pretty intense, right? But like I said, it's really good for you. Tap, 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 tap. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna add some garlic. Garlic is great during flu season because it helps with your gut flora, and it also helps kill bacteria and viruses. And again, my husband, he would just take a clove like this and just start gnawing on it. Have any of you guys ever done that? He had me do it one time, and oh my gosh. It was pretty powerful. So here, as you can see, the garlic is kind of sticking to the grater, and I'm just gonna tap it, just like that. And I also like putting garlic in this because Cairo, she really loves garlic. She loves like garlic and butter noodles. It's a win-win. All right, so my veggies, they aren't completely done, but I'm gonna add some broth and I will finish cooking them off in the broth. So this looks perfect. One thing that I love about soups as well is if you don't, finish this off with the family, you can actually freeze this and have some for later. Oh, this smells so good. I can smell the garlic. Oh, you guys, look at this. It looks great. It has come up to a nice boil. Now I'm just gonna turn it down to a simmer and we are gonna add our chicken. So I have a 10-ounce chicken breast right here and I've just cut it in half. I have it in a whole piece like this because I don't want my chicken to dry out. We don't want dry chicken. No bueno. So I'm just gonna add my chicken. As I poach this chicken, just all of the flavors with this broth is just gonna be infused into that chicken, making it nice and flavorful. If you don't want to actually cook your chicken, you guys, I have a nice quick fix. If you have leftover chicken in your refrigerator, you can totally use that. I like to use rotisserie chicken that you get at the grocery store. Cut that chicken up and just throw it into your pot. How easy is that? I'm gonna let this cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. This is smelling so good, so delicious. Okay, you guys, so while this cooks, I am going to check on my little baby girl, Cairo. Kai, 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 kai. She loves it when I do that. How's it going, huh? What are you doing? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
I see all of your dinosaurs here. I see your big ones. Which one is this one? Oh, it's on my head. What is it doing on my head? Did it fly on my head? Are you gonna keep it there? I like this one. This one is the same one as this one, right?
That's why same this.
Yes, you're right. That is a T-Rex and this is a T-Rex. Do you want to eat some soup later? Okay. Well, Mommy's gonna go back, okay? And finish the soup. I love you. You stay here and play with your dinosaurs, okay? I love you, Cairo.
I love you.
Okay. All righty then. Cairo is all good. Let's check on my chicken here. And it looks fantastic. So I'm just gonna put it onto my cutting board. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add my pasta into this delicious, flavorful broth. You can use any small pasta that cooks quick. This is short tube pasta. I mean, look at how cute this is. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it in here. When pasta cooks, it releases a little starch and that will even make the broth thicken. Give this a nice stir. I'm gonna turn the heat up and bring it up to a nice boil. And now we're gonna move on to the chicken. So I'm just gonna cut my chicken into small pieces here. Be careful because the chicken is still very hot. Whenever I was, not feeling well when I was a child, my mother, she would always make chicken noodle soup too. So this is definitely a tradition in our homes. I know some kids, when I was growing up, they would always, fake to be sick so they didn't have to go to school. You guys, that never worked with my mother. My mother, she would always check if we had a temperature, so that never happened at our household. I do have a question though. When you're sick, sometimes you have an earache, right? And whenever we had earaches, my mother, she would warm up some oil. I don't know if it was like olive oil. She would warm it up and then she would have us tilt our head and she would put the oil in our ear. We would tell our mom, we're like, Mom, this is making it worse. I don't know, I don't have any memories of it working. But anyway, let me know. Mom, I love you. You know, my mom, she's from the Bahamas, so maybe it was some kind of island remedy. I don't know. You guys, let me know in the comments below if your parents, grandparents did that to you. Okay, you guys, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to check to see if my pasta is done. And the best way to do that is taste it. So let's taste our pasta. I wanna make sure that it's al dente, because once you take the pasta out, it's gonna continue to cook. And it is nice and al dente. It is perfect. So I'm gonna turn my heat off, and then I'm gonna add our chicken. There is so much love, tender, and care going into this soup. And I don't know about you, but I love a chicken noodle soup that's nice and hearty. And look at this. We have a lot of chicken, onions, carrots, celery, and you actually see your ingredients. Some chicken noodle soups out there, they skimp on the ingredients, and me no likey. All right, I think Cairo is hungry, and perfect timing because our soup is ready. Right, Cairo, look at this. What is this? Soup. What is this?
Lemon!
Lemon. Well, Mommy's gonna put some lemon into the soup just like that. Make sure we don't have any seeds going in there. And this is just gonna brighten up this dish very nicely. Right? Do you wanna try some lemon? Do you wanna try it?
No!
Smart girl. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this a nice stir. Look at all of this, you guys. Look at how nice and chunky this is. Yummy, yummy. Oh, get it, Cairo, get it. Get it, girl, get it. Ay, 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 ay. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna add some parsley. Look at how beautiful and awesome this looks, Cairo. Okay, Cairo, it's really nice and hot. Blow. Oh, good job.
Had a dinosaur car.
You guys, my daughter loves dinosaurs. She has this dollhouse right in the backyard. She does not play with dolls in this dollhouse. Do you want to know what she puts in the house? Dinosaurs and bugs. Who's that? Who's that? Is he saying he wants some soup? He's hungry? I think Cairo prefers her soup in a mug. Oh, can I give you kisses? You guys watch, she's gonna wipe it off. Okay, give me a kiss. Let me give you a kiss on your cheek. Mwah. Told you. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as Cairo and myself did, right? Let me know in the comments below what other recipes you'd like to see from my family. And don't forget to subscribe. Right, Cairo? Say subscribe.
What?
Yes, and we want to get to 1 million followers. So say 1 million.
1 million.
Yes, you heard Cairo. Yay! Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks to Aveeno for sponsoring this episode.
I'm okay.
I guess somebody's feeling better.